We are back again with reality of the week, and in today's video we are going to talk about bonuses that brokers promise to give you when you open a live account. I am sure you might have come across a broker that says that when you deposit a certain amount of money, there is a bonus amount that they will add to your account. Some give you 30%, some will tell you 50%, some will even tell you 100% of your deposit. So these brokers preach this information to us. And most of us do sign up with these brokers because of the bonuses that we intend to get, or the bonus that we may get in addition to our deposit. And so today we want to look at that bonus, the bonus that the brokers promise us. For instance, a broker is saying that when you deposit, they will give you 100% bonus. So it means that when you deposit $100, you will end up getting $200 in your account. When you deposit $300, you end up getting $600 in your account. When you deposit $1,000, you end up getting $2,000 in your account. 100% deposit bonus. And they do this, and most of us see it and we are like, wow, putting $100 in my account or in my life account will give me $200. Then I need to do this. And most of us go ahead to sign up because of just the bonus. Today, we want to talk about only the bonus that the brokers promise us, and then the bonus that they give us. What is it like? What is the reality of these bonuses? That is what I want to share with you in this video. My name is Kofi, your admin for Leading Forex YouTube channel. If this video is the video that has brought you here, we have a long way to go, but you are not lost at all. You are at the right place. We have a playlist of tutorials which has to do with Forex trading, practicals. I will suggest that you go and take these videos one by one if you're a beginner. If you're an advanced trader or a pro, you can still enjoy our videos here and you will be thrilled. Some information that you will get here, which you may not get anywhere else. So today we are talking about bonuses. I know a lot of brokers. I am a victim myself. I have signed up with some brokers because of the bonuses that they promised. I know brokers that I have signed up with that promise to give me 100% deposit bonus. So meaning if I deposit 100, they will give me additional 100, making 200. And most often it is true, you see these things. But what is the reality of it? I am going to take my time to digest these bonuses in reality in this video. Now, let me take you back a bit and let you understand that brokers, as we often know, they are companies that we open a live account with so that we can deposit money to trade the forex market. They are called the brokers. It's just like you opening a bank account and then depositing money into that bank account in order to use for your transactions. It is the same thing with the brokers. So you open a live account, you deposit money in it, and then you can now use that money to trade the forex market. They are called brokers. So such companies on the internet are called brokers. So it is nothing different from opening a bank account. So those of you who own a bank account, you have opened that bank account so that you can use the bank account to do your transactions. Through your bank, maybe you can send money to someone in your hometown, send money to someone outside a different country or continent, or use it to pay for some goods and services and other stuff. So you open bank account for these purposes. The same way you open a Forex account, which is a live account, to be able to use it to trade the forex market. So these brokers, they tell you that when you create an account, some of them, not all, but whether you like it or not, some may not be having bonuses now, but along the line, you see them talking about bonuses. They may be introducing bonuses. So they will tell you that, okay, when you create an account with them and you deposit maybe $100, they'll give you 30% bonus on your deposit. So you may get $30 in addition to your $100. Some will tell you they'll give you 50% bonus. So when you deposit $100, they may add $50 to your account. Some will tell you that when you deposit $100, they will give you 100% bonus. So 100%, it means that when you deposit 100, they will add another $100 to your account. So what does this really do for us? That is what I want to explain in this video. Now, take note of this research I have done. The research I have done states that the average broker, I mean the standard brokers, the well-known brokers, okay, the world-known brokers, they are the ones I'm calling the standard brokers, the world-known brokers. On average, they spend money to advertise themselves to us, the retail traders. So the research says that an average standard broker, so if I say standard now, you understand, it means the well-to-do or the well-known brokers. On average, in every 6 months, they spend not less than $250,000 on advertisement. I repeat, the research says that on average, the well-known brokers, they spend in every 6 months, on average, the least they spend is $250,000 for advertisement. This advertisement could be in a form of sponsorship. It can be in a form of ads on social media or web ads and other online ads. It could be Google ads, which they buy so that they can promote themselves out to us to know that they exist. And when they are promoting themselves out to us with this budget, the least is $250,000 for promotion alone, to promote themselves to us, for us to know they exist. Now, when they are promoting themselves, there are a lot of things they add in the promotional package. And most often, it has to do with things that when you, a trader, see, it will whip your interest or make you fall in love with them and may want to sign up with them. Do you get it? So in the advertising world, every company that is trying to put themselves out there will want to come up with a package that when you hear of them with the juicy package they have, you are tempted to kind of work with them or do business with them. It is the same thing with the brokers. So these brokers, when they are advertising themselves out to us, they add these juicy packages, and one of them is the bonus package. So they add this juicy bonus package to their advertisement, and they tell you that when you sign up with them or when you open a live account with them, they will give you 30% bonus on your deposit or 50% bonus on your deposit. Some will even tell you 100% bonus on your deposit. So once you see some of these things, you are tempted to sign up with them. Some even go a long way to tell you that, look, they can give you free money to start trading without you even depositing. They will tell you when you register an account with them, they will give you a free amount of money. Some will tell you that when you register with them, you may get 30%, maybe $30 in your account. When you open a live account, they'll tell you, receive $50 in your account when you open a live account with them. So it means without even depositing any money, they are giving you free money by creating a live account with them. So these bonus packages are there to attract you to sign up with them and become a customer with them or to them. Now, what are these bonuses? Now in detail, you now know how they catch us with their juicy advertisement packages. Fine. These bonuses that they give to us, the bonus that they add to your money, or the bonus that they even give you upfront without you even depositing anything in your account. This is the reality of it. That bonus, assuming, let me talk about the one that they add to your money first. When I'm done, we'll talk about the one that they even give you upfront. The one that you don't even deposit anything, they give it to you free. That you start using it to trade. Let me explain. Now, the one that they add to your deposit, for instance, you have deposited $100, and then the broker says they will give you 100% deposit bonus. So they have added additional $100 to your life account. Now, that additional $100 that they have added to your account, they didn't add that money to your account balance. Take note, I am getting serious here. They didn't add that money to your account balance. They only added that money to your equity. I repeat, they didn't add that money to your account balance. They only added that money to your equity. And what does this mean? Now, when a trade is running, you will see equity percentage in terms of how much is being used. You will see it. When you have a life account and that life account, you place a trade on that life account, you see the amount of equity being used in percentage. So some brokers will tell you that when you use up to 90% of your equity, they will close all your running trades automatically. And that is when some of us say that our account is blown. There are other brokers that will tell you that when your account runs down to 90, 95, or even 100% of equity, then they are going to close all your trades that are in a loss. They will close them. So what it means is that when you put on a trade, let's assume you have $100 in your account. If you place the trade and the trade runs against you up to $90, you are in minus 90. Your broker, if your broker says that their rule is that when your account runs up to 90% of equity, they will close your account, or they will close that trade that is running. Then when the trade gets to $90 against you, you will see that the trade will close automatically. And then you may only see that you have $10 left in that account. Why? The reason is because you have run out of what? Equity. Some brokers will also tell you that when your account runs up to 95, some will say 100% equity, they will close your account or your trade automatically. So once the trade is running in a loss, then they will close you out when you reach that equity threshold. Do you get it? Some brokers will consume the whole money in your account. So some brokers, when your account is blowing, you will see that the account is blown with nothing in your account. It's 0, 0, 0. I mean, those with the life account. And then those with equity of maybe 90%, 80%, 70%, and the rest. To those of us, when they are closing the account automatically, you will see that you'll be left with some small money in your account. So you see that your account is blown. They have closed your trades automatically. The reason is because you have exhausted the equity limits that they have given you. And once you exhaust it, they will be forced to close your trades automatically. The system will close your trades automatically. So the money that the broker adds to your account, which is the bonus, it is only added to your equity and not to your real account or your real balance. So when you run out of your total money, which is the $100, the broker will close you out of the market. The broker will not allow you to use the deposit bonus, the bonus that they have given to you. That bonus is not real money. It is real money, but that real money has not been added into your main balance. I pray that you understand me. You deposited $100 and then they gave you $200. So you have additional $100 in equity, but not as balance. That additional money that they have given to you, making $200, you cannot withdraw that money. You can't withdraw it. You can't say that you have been given an additional $100, so you want to withdraw maybe $100 and leave only $100. You can't withdraw that bonus. It is not withdrawable. Again, it is money that has been added to your equity and not your main balance. That is why you cannot withdraw it. So some brokers will tell you that when you trade up to one lot, this is where it becomes more technical. They will tell you that when you trade up to one lot, every one lot trade that you take, they will take $1 from the bonus and add it to your main balance. I don't know if this makes sense. The bonus is in your equity. So when you trade one lot, and you know one lot is 1.00. So it means when you take trades and then the lot sizes you use, when those lot sizes amount to one lot, they will take $1 and then add it to your real balance for you. So it means your bonus in terms of equity will be left with 99. Your real balance will be left with 101. I don't know if you get it. So these are the conditions the broker will give you. But when you run out of your real money, which is your real money, which is $100, when you are in a trade, okay, when you are in a trade and the trade runs against you up to a total of $100, it means you have exhausted your capital. You do not have any money again. So the broker will be forced to close you out of the market. I don't know if this makes sense. So you will say that, okay, I have $200, but why is it that the trade ran into a loss of $100 and they have closed me out? At least I have $200 now. I had $100 and the broker also added $100, making $200. So how come the trade has gone against me only $100 and they have closed me out of the market? The reason is because they only put that bonus there to shield you. Maybe the broker said that when you run 90% of equity, which is $90, they will close you out. Or maybe your broker rule is that when you run out of $80, which is 80% of your equity, they will close you out of the market. Or 70% of equity, they will close you out of the market, which means your account is blown. But because they have given you an additional bonus, they won't close you out when your money is about 70% of equity. And they won't close you out when your money is about 80% of equity. They will not close you out when your money is about 90% of equity. They will only close you out when you run out of the total money you have, which is 100% equity. When your total $100 is exhausted, then they will close your account for you. They will tell you that you do not have any money in your account again. And then they will take back their bonus. I don't know if you get it. Maybe let me say it this way. Maybe the broker rule is that the broker you have signed up with said that they are giving you $100 in addition to the $100 you have deposited. And truly, you saw the additional $100 added to your account. That $100 that has been added to your account, it is not money that you can withdraw. It is not yet your money. That's how I want to put it. That money is not yet your money. They have only added that money to cushion you. Cushion you in a sense that that broker, their rule is that when you spend 90% of your real money, which is the $100, your account's supposed to blow. They're supposed to close you out of the market automatically. Some brokers, their rule is that when you spend up to 80% of your total money, they're supposed to close you out of the market. Some brokers, to theirs is that when you spend the total money in your account, so if it is $100, when you spend 100% equity, they're supposed to close you out of the market automatically. So in your case, the broker was supposed to close you out of the market when you exhaust 80% of your money in your account. But because they gave you a bonus, that bonus is going to hold you because you still have $30 money left, which is your real money. Under normal circumstance, without that bonus, they're supposed to close you out of the market, and then you will be left with $30 to start again with a new trade. But because you had some bonus, that bonus is cushioning that trade. They won't take you out when your money is -80. They will continue to wait. When it gets to -90, they will wait. When it gets to -100, that is to say that your total money that you deposited has been fully exhausted, then the broker will now close you out of the market. So in reality, the bonus that they have added to your account is not of any better benefit. The reason I'm saying that is because most of us think that we have $200 in our account. And because of that, when we are taking trades, we forget that we do not have $200, but we rather have $100. That is the trick. Most of us forget that, oh, I have 200. I deposited 100 and then the broker gave me additional 100. So you have 200. So you are beginning to take decisions based on $200. But you have forgotten that your decision based on $200 is not valid. Your decision is supposed to be based on $100. That money they have added, they only added it in equity. That is why you cannot withdraw. So once you exhaust your total money, -100, they will close you out and take back their bonus. So the bonus that they added to your account, what use has it been? Maybe the use here is that it helped you and they didn't close you out when you were in negative maybe 80 or negative 90 until you got -100 before they closed you out. That bonus has rather helped them or has rather helped to wipe out your account totally. Because if the bonus wasn't there, maybe when your trade was -80, they would have closed you out of the market. Or when your trade was -90, they would have closed you out of the market and you'll be left with $10 in the account. But because of the bonus, they were able to take all the $100 before your trade was closed, leaving you 000. Sometimes, some of you, when your account is blown, it even goes in negative. Later on, before the broker will do a reset and bring it back to 000. I don't know if you have witnessed that. So that is the bonus. So the bonus, the brokers have realized that most of us do not have money. So when you hear that they are giving free money, you will be tempted to easily sign up with them. Who doesn't like free money? And because we all like free money, once the broker says that they are giving free money out there, you are in haste to go chase it. But the truth of it is that that money they are giving to you is not actually a free money anywhere. It is just some form of, I don't know how to qualify it. Maybe you may have to give me the right qualification to that bonus that is given to you at the comment section. So traders, be careful with the bonus that you are eager to get. Most of us are with some brokers because of the bonus they promised us. And you realize that that bonus that they gave you was worth nothing because the bonus didn't work how you thought it would work. You were thinking that when you enter a trade, the trade you have $100 in your account and they gave you 100, so you have 200. So you were thinking that your trade could even go against you -150. It can even go against you -170, -180. Why? Because you have $200. So you do not understand why they had to close you out of the market when your account got to -100 and wiped everything and told you that you have lost everything in your account. Then you are asking yourself, why? What happened? The reason is because you were thinking you have $200 in your account, but no, you were only having $100 in your account. The money that was added is just added in terms of equity, but not your real money. If it was added in terms of real money, then you can withdraw it. If that has been the case, then we will all be signing up with brokers that are giving free money, bonuses. So that when I deposit $500 and the bonus comes additional 500, then I'll withdraw my 500 back and use their 500 to trade. But the brokers, excuse my language, they are not fools. They are not giving free money. In any case, why would they give such money to you for free when they don't even know whether you are a good trader or not? Why would they give you that? Then it would have been better they keep that money and trade themselves rather than giving it to you and then maybe you waste it. So the brokers are not giving free money. Take note. The deposit bonuses that you hear of are just pure advertisement tricks. They are baits to get you to sign up and then deposit some money into your account. They want you as a client to register with them. So they need to find a way to corner you and get you on board. And that is why this bonuses offer is given to us, or we hear of it every day, every time. So be careful when a broker tells you that, hey, when you sign up with them and you deposit this amount of money, they will also add this amount of money. Be careful. All right. Now, let me talk about the ones that they give you free money upfront. It's funny, right? I want to talk about the brokers that promise you free money upfront. They will tell you that, okay, yours is to just create an account, verify that account, and then you are good to go with some bonus money to start trading. Okay. That bonus money they give you, it is not actually money that you can also withdraw. You cannot withdraw it. And then that money that they give to you has a lot of instructions. It has a lot of rules. When you violate any of those rules, the money is taken away. The brokers, in terms of how they do it, varies. So I don't know which one to use. For example, look, all of us are victims of this. I am a victim. I have registered with a lot of brokers based on some of these things in the past. Okay, so hey, you are not far from me. We have been in the same soup. If you have ever registered with a broker because of the bonus they want to give you, we have all been a culprit of that. So come on, cheer up, man. Feel good because I'm feeling good here. So the bonus that they give you upfront without even you doing any deposits comes with a lot of instructions. And that is why no one has been successful with it. Because the instructions they add to that money they are giving to you upfront, it is difficult. So once you are not able to get it, they take their money back. But by then, you are an account holder with them. So you will be forced to put in some money and begin to practice. So it is a way of getting you to join the broker. It is a way of getting you to register with a broker. And look, these brokers, they want numbers for the purpose of credibility. Okay? They want numbers for the purpose of credibility and trust. If broker 1 is having 1 million customers and broker 2 is having 5 million customers, if you want to register with broker 1 or broker 2, which one will you register with? Broker 1 is having 1 million customers. Broker 2 is having 5 million customers. Which of these two brokers do you think you register with in terms of trust and in terms of credibility? You may want to register with the broker with the 500, right? 5 million subscribers or 5 million clients, and leave maybe the one with the 1 million clients. The reason is because you trust that broker with the 5 million clients than the one with just the 1 million. 1 million, you say, oh, they are new in the game. 5 million, oh, they are a bit ahead in the game, because for 5 million people to trust and have accounts with them, it means a lot. And here it is just 1 million. So when it comes to credibility, I'd rather go with the 5 million broker. You get the picture. So these are all advertisement tricks to build their reputation, build their future whatsoever. I wouldn't want to go into some of the things, but I want you to understand that the bait that they give to us in terms of bonuses to entice us to register with them, have an account with them and the rest, in reality is just nothing. So if you are looking for a broker to sign up with, do what is called due diligence. Search. Find out a broker that is well regulated, a broker that may give you what you are due when you get it. Find out about the broker. I think I have done a video talking about what you can do to select a good broker. I have done that. It's a video on this channel already, so I wouldn't go there. So do what is called due diligence. And then you'll be able to get a broker to trade in your jurisdiction. So the brokers, they have jurisdictional limitations. And what I mean by jurisdictional limitations is that a broker may not be available in your country. Another broker will be available. There are brokers that are not available in some countries, but they are available in other countries. There are brokers, we have them in Africa, they are not available in Europe. We have brokers in Europe which are also not available in the US or in the Caribbean. So jurisdictional limitation is there. So just look for a broker that is available in your jurisdiction, that you have done what is the due diligence and you are aware and you know what they give and you feel it is okay. But don't be taken or carried away based on bonus. The bonus in reality is worth nothing. If you also want a recommendation in terms of what broker you should sign up with, if you go to the description of all my videos, you will see my brokers. I have about 6 brokers that I recommend. To those of you in Europe, I have brokers for you. It is in the description of my videos. Those of you in Africa, I have that for you. Those of you in the Caribbean, those of you in Canada, those of you in the US, I have broker recommendations for everyone. And when you go to the description of my videos, you will see these brokers. I have named them broker 1, broker 2, up to broker 6. Broker 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is located in the description of my videos. You can then get it. Choose the one that is available in your jurisdiction and sign up with. If you also want to maybe chat me for me to send it to you, maybe you try signing up, you are out to look for the broker, you are not seeing it. You are not seeing the brokers I'm talking about at the description. Just chat me and ask me to give you the broker link that I talked about. I'll give you the 6 brokers. Then you, out of the 6 brokers, you look at the one that is available in your jurisdiction and then sign up with. These brokers, what I have done is a research around them. And I use almost all the 6 brokers. I use almost all the 6 brokers, except the one in the US. That one is not available for us in Africa here. I am in Ghana, and that one is not available for us in Ghana. So it is the only broker that I have not signed up with, but it is a perfect broker, it's a good broker. It's only for US citizens and clients. And so that one, you may not be able to sign up with it. And that is the only one I have not signed up with. But those in the US, you can sign up with that one. Aside that, if you're in Europe, I have a broker that you can sign up with. If you're in Africa or any other part of the world, I have brokers that you can sign up with. If you want to follow my recommendation, then go to my description and choose any of the brokers. Or you contact me, I'll send you the link for you to join. But don't select a broker, don't choose a broker based on commission or, what they call it, bonus. No, yeah. Don't follow a broker based on bonus, because the bonus they are going to give to you is nothing. It is just a pure at the advertisement baits. They are baiting it to catch you. Just as a fisherman will put a bait at the edge of the hook to catch the fish, it is the same thing they do by putting bonuses at the end of the hook, and then they throw it in the water, and then you come and then they catch you. So be careful. If you want to choose a broker based on just bonus, trust me, it has nothing valuable, if you ask me. I know some people may disagree. Yes, you are entitled to your view and opinion. And I'm also entitled to my view and opinion. But the reality will be, when you use that bonus in real trading, then you may come to either agree with me or disagree with me. But that is it. That is what I have experienced, and that is what I can tell you most people have experienced. And that is the reality of the week for you today. Account bonuses. My name once again is Kofi. If you want to contact me, my WhatsApp number is +233 246 136609. +233 246 136609. Send me a message on WhatsApp. Let's vibe, let's talk, and let's see what else you want us to do. Until then, subscribe to this YouTube channel, wait for more videos, and then I am sure we will be good to go.